the admirable Alps, the adventurous Andes, the remarkable Rockies, or the honorable Himalayas. And the runner of the Inter-House Championship is the Andes. I call onto the stage the in-charge teacher of the house, Sivalalita ma'am. I would also like to call the Andes vice captain and captain boy D. Siddhartha and Andes captain girl K. Ritika. Along with them, I call their vice captain boy Mokshit and vice captain girl D. Sudiksha. I request Srimali ma'am to do the honors. And now for the moment we have been eagerly waiting for, the house of the year. So the overall champion house is
Rockies.
the overall champion house is the Rockies. I call onto the stage the in-charge teacher Supriya ma'am. I would also like to call the Rockies captain boy K. Vedant and the Rockies captain girl P. Aishwarya. Along with them, I call their vice captain boy Akhilesh and vice captain girl Ritusri. Congratulations to the runners and the winners. Thank you so much, ma'am.